niggas. I ain't no shit, I ain't no shit. I ain't pay my rent, yeah. And I got people counting on me. And I got people counting on me. I got people counting on me. Damn. See my tote bag, I got like 2 of them. Fuck a book bag, but I'm still in my bag with it. I can't hang with groupies, you can't hang with me. I'm tryna mix off my JBL 5. Slept on the floor since 5. Me and my brother so high. Done fucked the nigga up one time. Was it a or was it myself one time? Cause I still on shit, yeah, I ain't on shit, but I ain't on shit. Please, could you watch how you step? Could you watch how you talk to me? Could you watch how you talk? Could you watch how you look? Cause I still on shit, yeah, I ain't on shit, but I ain't on shit. I don't know what to say right now. Cause I still on shit, yeah, I ain't on shit, but I ain't on shit. And I ain't never been on shit, but I'm man enough to finally deal with it. And I ain't never been on shit, but these are the consequences, gotta deal with them. And you can't help me, cause I'm too selfish.
To the iPhone, switch charges, the same thing, gotta get away.
Feel like the gorillas in this house. When I feel like the gorillas in this house. When I feel like you faking in plastic beach, you know better than to take that wrong. When I'm on this beat, when I feel like Drake, let's just take this home or the way home. Like Emmett Till, I need a million, still like fuck fix at home. And when I look back at myself, and I think, damn, all the shit that I've been through. Like damn, how I get here is crazy, what a nigga tryna get to. And it's just wild because one day I decided to make that song. And that song turned to an EP, you could guess that EP was made at home. Well, home is a funny word cause it stay where the heart is. But the heart stay in the shelter. Man, I kept to myself all the feelings I was dealt with. I was sheltered, a shelter youth, kept my mama too. But that 7 o'clock kept me all in tune. To a better life, I wanna live with you. I'm finna grind my ass off, I'll be at the top soon. And I wrote this all up in the shower cause I'm tryna rain on you niggas. Yeah. Call me Matt Lowry, you lousy as fuck. And I'm tryna game on you niggas. Yeah. Call me a mess, the way that I chef. And I'll even stand in y'all's bitches. Yeah. The way that I'm grand, I ain't talking auto blast off Apollo. I'm sorry, need not, you not one of us. You got a tissue with organ of us. You got an issue with don't mean to us. Niggas won't miss you in the back of a truck. That's a 4x4, guess you forgot that you ain't day 1, but that makes 3 like we 6 deep and there's 8 of us. Man, these numbers they killing, they capable to uplift oneself. Beat rabbit ass nigga, you ain't keeping up. I feel like Eminem back in 91. Yeah. Like the gorillas in this house. When I feel like the gorillas in this house. When I feel like you faking in plastic beach, you know better than to take that wrong. When I'm on this beat, when I feel like Drake, let's just take this home or the way home. Like Emmett Till, I need a million, still like fuck fix at homes, little nigga.